Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Bumble account in a Bumble application. So you have a Bumble account that you use for online dating and some other reason. Now you want to log out of that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Bumble account in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Bumble account is open a Bumble application. Once you open a Bumble application, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to log out, what you need to do is tap on a profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you tap on the profile icon, you land on your profile. So from here, what you need to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the settings icon, you land on settings. Now from here, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of your page. Now here you'll see two options, one to log out and one to delete your account. So in order to log out of your account, what you need to do is tap on the logout button. Once you tap on the logout button, a pop-up window like this will open. Now here what you need to do in order to log out is simply tap on the logout button. Once you tap on the logout button, you'll successfully log out of your Bumble account in your Bumble application. So those are the simple steps in order to log out of your Bumble account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.